In today's video, I am going to teach you how to cancel Smartsheet account. If you have decided you no longer need your subscription, canceling is usually quick, but it helps to follow each screen carefully so you complete the process successfully. To begin, sign into Smartsheet. Make sure you are using the account you want to cancel. When you are on the Smartsheet sign-in page, enter your login details and continue until you reach your Smartsheet dashboard. Take a moment here to confirm you are in the correct account, because the cancellation will apply to the account you are currently signed into. Once you see your dashboard or main workspace, you are ready for the next action. Next, click the account icon and select Plan and Billing Info. On most layouts, the account icon is located in the upper area of the screen, often near your profile or menu. Click it, then look for the option labeled Plan and Billing Info. This step matters because it takes you to the exact area where your subscription and billing settings are managed. If you do not see Plan and Billing Info right away, scan the menu options carefully, since sometimes the label can be grouped under Account Settings. After you open Plan and Billing Info, you will be ready to start the cancellation itself. Click Cancel Account. At this point, the system may show information about what cancellation means for your current billing cycle, so be attentive. Clicking Cancel Account is the official start of the cancellation flow. You should expect a follow-up screen that asks you to confirm you want to proceed. Then select Continue to Cancellation. This screen is usually there to make sure you meant to cancel and to move you forward through the remaining steps. When you see Continue to Cancellation, click it to proceed. This is the moment where the process transitions from initiation to confirmation. If you notice any warnings or details on the screen, take a quick glance so you understand what will happen next. Finally, click Cancel and Accept Data Loss. This is the last confirmation step, and it is important to read what it says on screen. The wording about data loss typically means that your access to your content and workspace data may be affected once the cancellation is completed. After you click the final Cancel and Accept Data Loss option, the system will complete your cancellation request. At this point, you have finished the required actions to stop your subscription. To wrap up, keep an eye on the confirmation message or status update that appears after you complete the last step. Sometimes Smartsheet will show that the cancellation has been submitted or completed, and it may also explain what to expect for the end of your billing period. If you want, you can return to the Plan and Billing Info area again to verify that your plan shows as canceled or scheduled to end. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.